February 4th, 2026. This is the moment the market blinked. We are looking at a market cap wipeout of 1.99 lakh crore rupees. That is $24 billion vanished in a time frame of just 6 hours. The Nifty IT index has plummeted by 2,286 points, marking a drop of nearly 6%. This represents the single biggest fall since March 2020. But this isn't a pandemic. This is the competence shock. The market has finally realized that AI is no longer here to just help SaaS companies. It is here to replace them. The blast radius is extensive. Major players are taking a massive hit. Infosys is down 7.26%, TCS is down 7.01%, and LTIMindtree has fallen 6.1%. In fact, Infosys alone has seen a 54,000 crore rupee loss in market capitalization. Why the panic? Look at the center of the screen. The market sentiment has shifted. Investors are now aggressively pricing in the obsolescence of Level 1 and Level 2 support. The entry-level work that built these giants is no longer valuable. The weapon causing this disruption is Claude Co-work. We are seeing the simultaneous launch of 11 enterprise plugins, covering everything from automated NDA triage in legal, to journal entry reconciliation in finance, to bioresearch. The critical line here is at the bottom: zero human intervention required. These aren't just tools for humans to use. These are autonomous agents taking over entire vertical functions like sales, product management, and customer support. Let's look under the hood at the manifest. We see a legal agent with specific skills hard-coded: contract review, compliance check, and red line generation. It connects directly to your existing stack: Slack, Salesforce, and Snowflake. Notice the tag on the right: no UI needed. This is direct API execution. The era of chat interfaces is ending. These agents live in the background, performing complex work without a human ever needing to open a dashboard. This is the economics of agentic arbitrage. On the left, a human junior developer costs $14 to $55 an hour, but is limited by a 33% duty cycle because sleep is required. On the right, the Anthropic agent costs just 10 to 50 cents an hour, running 24/7. The gap is insurmountable. We're looking at an ROI gap of 500 times and a processing speed increase of 1,000 times. Digital stamina has officially outpaced biological limits. The victim of this shift is the orange economy. The traditional model of effort-based revenue, calculating fees by multiplying people times hours, is dead. We are forced into a new reality: outcome-based revenue. This shift erodes the pricing power of services firms. We're looking at an impact on 38 million jobs in the organized sector. When time is no longer the metric of value, the entire billing model of the industry collapses. Let's visualize a specific use case: the white-collar replacement. A raw NDA contract enters the system, passes through the Claude legal agent for review, risk flagging, and redlining, and emerges as a final draft. Compare the timestamps. A human takes 4 hours for a contract review. The agent takes 30 seconds. A compliance check that takes a human 2 hours is done by the agent in 10 seconds. That is exactly 0 minutes of human intervention required. This changes the fundamental structure of work. The old way was linear: 1 human equals 1 output. The new way is exponential. We are moving to Agentic Clusters, where 1 orchestrator manages 1,000 outputs. We are seeing 80% automation of routine development tasks. The role of the human is no longer to do the work, but to orchestrate the swarm of agents doing it for them. It is not all doom and gloom. There is a silver lining: the idea of India 2030. We're looking at a GDP productivity unlock of plus 2.61%, with high impact in manufacturing, banking, and the services sector. According to the EY report, the productivity potential combined is over 5%.
While the labor model breaks, the output capability of the economy is about to skyrocket. To conclude, linear growth is dead. Welcome to exponential efficiency. The strategy for surviving the SaaSpocalypse is clear: adapt, orchestrate, survive. February 4th, 2026 isn't just a market crash, it's the day everything changed. The future belongs to those who can execute strategy through agents, not those who bill by the hour.